So today we're going to be doing a Brighten and Tighten face mask. Skin brightening and tightening face mask benefits. We're using egg white, honey, and lemon. Egg white has astringent properties that help shrink pores by tightening the skin. Honey is extremely moisturizing and soothing, full of antioxidants and naturally antibacterial. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so they can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time, and they are antibacterial. Skin brightening and tightening face mask ingredients: 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon raw and unfiltered honey, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Other useful items: cutting board, knife to cut the lemon, 3 bowls, and a hand mixer. So what we're going to do is gather up all of our ingredients, get them set up, squared away. Okay, so we're going to grab our egg, crack it, and get that yolk out so that the whites just drips into it. Okay, so let's move these items. We'll take the egg white, grab the hand mixer, turn it on really low because you don't want it to splatter everywhere. I sped this up so it looks like it's going fast, but it's really on 1. As it gets going, you can increase the speed if you want to. You want to keep going until you see soft peaks like that. You're going to take the honey now. Get out a teaspoon of honey. Okay, so we're going to get the honey out of there. We're going to massage the lemon and get a teaspoon of lemon. Fresh lemon juice is always the best. Love it. Okay, now mix those all together. So you get nice, happy little mixture. So now I'm going to apply it all over your face. Don't get it in your eyes. Do not eat it. It has raw egg in it. That'd be very bad. But yep, avoid the eye area. I got it on my lips, so no licking. Ooh, extra. Remember how I said don't eat it? Oh. Oh, no, no, no! But don't do it. Seriously. No. So now you can see it's sort of drying. And we're just going to fan it a little bit, give it some help. Okay. I say K a lot. Oh well. What you are going to do is take a warm, wet washcloth and get it all off your face. I had to rub just a little bit because it was dry, but I don't know. It's kind of soothing with a warm, wet washcloth to do it. At least to me it is. I don't know about you, but... And this is after. Look at that skin. Oh, skin. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I would love to see any mask recreations you have or hear about any masks that you would like me to try. Please follow me at any of these listed below. I'd love to chat and hear from you. Bye!